Hey YouTube, Sensei Mods here with Samurai Mods and my friend Kriegels777. My friend Kriegels is going to spectate us. We're going to do a search and destroy, quick scope, no scope. We just check if it's on minuscule. Alright, so here we go.
Search and destroy.
Oh my, Kriegels, change your team, go spectate.
Destroy the objective. Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
I just got that kill for eliminating.
Search and destroy. Destroy the objective.
My friend thinks that was a hard scope.
Recon standing by.
Wow.
UAV recon ready for deployment. UAV online. Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
So it's 2-0 me. And just to tell you, I'm getting lucky. He's much better at this looking and no scoping than I am. So I'm just getting lucky here. So don't think it's not better.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
I'm not. Maybe I hard scoped once. That's about it. Yeah. Hold up. What? Alright, fine. My friend Kriegels is gonna play. Well, you have to come on my team if you're gonna. No, you can't play because then it won't be over until we kill you this
It's
time.
up to you now. Finish the mission.
Alright. I'm like scared now. Oh, I lost.
But it's not over yet. You get ready for the next one. Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
Let's watch this. He tried to hard scope me. He scoped in. Oh, so now we're all of a sudden allowed to scope in? Well, that's what you did. That wasn't a hard scope, I'll tell you.
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
Alright, so... He says that was a hard scope. That was not... Alright guys, when you comment in this video, say if that was a hard scope, if my annoying me. He's saying I'm a hard scoper. He's annoying me because he's saying I'm a hard scoping. Now my friend's like my friend was like scoping in, so now I'm gonna scope in. Alright, let's see this.
You lost that round, but it's not over yet. You get ready for the next one.
I'm allowed to scope in and look around, but I can't shoot while I'm scoped in. Even if you quick scope and instead of the screen going like that, even if the scope's in a tiny bit,
destroy the objective.
It means anything. Alright guys, that last kill that I just got, comments if you think that was a hard scope. My friend thinks I'm a hard scoping right now.
We lost that round.
Oh my god, okay. It's the 3-3 and now we gotta go in overtime because
one of your kills
yeah.
minus one
overtime.
kill. Yeah, minus one kill. I remember it.
Alright guys.
Search and destroy. Destroy the objective.
There's no flashes, there's smokes. You can't flash. I just told you now.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Oh, finally I won. That was a hard scope. That was like my second. I hard scoped twice this game by accident. And it's not. Alright, whatever. Peace out, guys.